boni, fuo. Infantefo fuo, papa. And these people know, especially NDC know, say, Fantes people, we are cheap. NDCfuo, they know, say, Fantes people, we are cheap. And today, we are going to find a vice president. And so development there, a bit mafanti memu. Kogomwa area, hona koshe, komuku Fantefuo. Baby, I'm a mamifi. Kogomwa, na koshe, oma quantity atete. Kogomwa, na koshe, the hardship in Gomwa. But then, my young friend election, with all the hardship Gomwa people are going into, they will vote for NDC. Mu perceive defense, Ekufuado nkwa 6 and the central region in Western 4. Ekufuado 5 years, you know, a muses no the abremo. And also yetro. Abai na matu abamanu, where you vice president every region a year, you know. Oba or here when NDC is in power, Cape Coast becomes the poorest or the second poorest region, or the central region becomes the poorest or the second poorest region in Ghana. When NDC is in power, when they have a vice who is a Fantes. The moon cost no more Jimmy Fantefuo. They be here make to man to Momu. Yeah, they had the Molly Nelko. Say, the Benku Nelko, young Koyan Jimmy sa. Aye. No young botin and young for watching boy and Sasu color. No young friend, you know, no young man, NDCfuo we are in the beer, and we are doing the beer. No more underdeveloping in the beer. Rollins, Uncle Faka. I can't know it. I can't reach in bed with you. You could see saying, Young Fata Mills. Your father means you are Ukraine. I mean, I don't mind be a president to crown. And dear Nagana fan. Me say, at a meal's time, a do piano besides saying tomorrow I'm to end this was me. Media men, obey the men man to my endis. Your fry out frat Amels, and you press Amelia. President Amelia, I froke Inca or Shedem Kinka. Look at the state of Professor Mills. Look at the things surrounding Professor Mills' death. As somebody who helped us redefine our tax code. For those of you who don't know, you never hear the NDC people go on any platform to big up Atamils. Say your tax system VAT now Atamils is a key proponent of it. Nobody says that about Atamils. University of Ghana Medical Center. No akura kwa this guy kwa hold drawing aba na me ye boy yes ma hama ni see ye. No we Fantini. Kwe. Ene ni sati ene mama be kwe bibi nyuma ya to ya ba ye tizi ya men online ya pon. Obrumanko gidi na no na dokuno na bazo na china na ze ye di amen obi anko ni fi. That is what they are doing to us. But we hate the truth because the American, no people will even take the substance American and boy no cat tribal thing, and that is the part they will carry. Or when Nina me be no man who say the time has come for us to depart from voting based on tribal. Yet the NDC near to tier 2 NDC. Yet the MPP near to tier 2 MPP. No, the time has come to depart from that. Ghana who says I'm a pest maker. Fantini and Ochame on tears yesterday. The Amibla they only came or you know because you were no one befa kakwa and basan wasn't a brain. You were no one befa females wasn't no kwa and basa what the brain. Ya ye miss Sata. Yes no kwa ya whom or ye also look on Jim on the Jim Roko we. Instead of us starting to think, Fantes Confederation, instead of us starting to think, there be the better tribal politics. Boy, no, now or cassette yam Fantefona or cassette ye before, maybe I mean penny show. Penny show cause me can't crack. Penny show cause me young katasum womaso. I tell you as it is, start thinking. Won't starting from margin no and yet na Ghana bre abaya sebe okwa bontin ane ye bona baso ye man award so I am unim Ghana yeah Have you guys noticed something? Okay. Unlike maybe usually presidents one. Yeah, from Obama baso. Yeah, my mom gift near the but have you seen the kind of awards that Akufo-Addo win? You know, it is talking about global economic development. It's talking about liberation of African development because this man was the only man that stood in front of the Abrofuna Yekojibosia and say, we are tired of always giving you our raw materials and you guys are shortchanging us. The time has come for you guys to start building and investing in Africa. There has never been a place Nana Akufo-Addo one guy say come and invest in Africa. I don't know. Nanka Osideng has repositioned the country in a global marketplace as one reliant on its own resources and Jesus Christ. Ghana way, Munti the fact one I mean kind trouble, Namin Sankani Pimu, Jimmy Fono Miles or Muntiano. Idea where I idea Akufo-Addo to one. Yam fanan to us I said the waffle because I promise all your chimpanzee what or the chimpanzee so or the tigan anymore baby. More darling one and the warrior cognac. Insulting the president here. We're not fighting for the country. Captain Smart, what have you done for the country? What the honest of baby fake news from Mamauska? That is all you are doing. What has been your contribution? Now let me tell you something. In case you don't know, one district, one factory is not just a government initiative. It was a government in conjunction with private sector. In Tisa Bimba, no be who says Darko farms, a good Darko farms, and a tio monka, frititeno, and nay and tio monka view. In Tisa Bimba, no could raise a juma. And I mean, is you. That's why I always say this. So Ghana for we are our own problem. Meboa, you see a page, Juma, Meboa. Abain biso kasapreko ni na egugu abain biso se kasapreko ya company ma yemfis kan shim na anya den empeja said de be ya Ghana bebu no bi benya adwuma ye wo se ade ntina abain no ekwa akobua kasapreko which means I want tears here, which means say amembo dia wo kan no Captain Smart you don't understand. Why didn't you say I'm like why didn't you say Jata Cement? Because Jata Cement also had the idea to have this cement even when his brother was the president. So stupid Captain Smart, why didn't you sit on that on your phone na ujina so sa kwasi for radio station na ujina so no? Say Moabi radio station na ujina so no. Why didn't you stand there to also talk about anka wunya kan kasa preko no na anka waka Jata Cement? Utie. Because Jata Cement, na you are a president. The environment wasn't conducive enough for him to go into that business. Ada na unka kasa di ropa. Ada na unka ekumfi fruit juice. Ada na kasa preko nkwa na woka because e no na e wo ho bia ni me se kasa preko de se yensan na ye nom dada. Na wo Ghana na me bisa se kasa preko na yensan wo nom dada. No mo standing to saying kasa preko no mo standing to saying. Obi say where is the money they borrowed? The money they borrowed has been used to take care of somebody like you and your family's kids who are going to free SHS. The money they borrowed is the reason why